Ok, merci, merci beaucoup.
Ça fait 3 jours maintenant qu'on ne dort pas. Quand il pleut, on est obligé de s'arrêter pour sauver les maisons. Puis avant-hier, bon, on ramasse, on nettoie, ça revient. Mais pour aujourd'hui, c'était trop grave. Depuis à 3 heures, les 6 pieds, ça ne va pas. On n'a rien enlevé, tout est parti. Bon, ce qu'on peut dire, quand nous aider dans tout ça, là, on ne sait pas plus quoi faire. C'est trop gâté cette fois-ci, là, tout est gâté.
It's raining a lot during this period, and frankly speaking, I experienced very difficult time, mainly during daytimes, because all the activities are based on the daytimes, and I faced a lot of difficulties. It's not advantageous because I was obliged, myself last week, I was obliged to cancel a lot of rendezvous. I had to meet some of my colleagues somewhere, but while going, on the way, I was a little bit blocked because of the flood, and somewhere we call this place Rivera de, and it was very tough for me. I was obliged to call my colleague and tell him to cancel the rendezvous and postpone it to another day.
Yesterday, for instance, I was supposed to go at the campus for attending class, but I made some problems. It was very, very difficult to move because of the rainfall, right? The rainwater on the street that prevent me to move to my business. So I think we need to do something to put an end to that kind of problems.